In this video, I want to show you how to make this colorful bracelet. And you're not gonna believe how easy this bracelet is. For this sample and for the tutorial, I'm using a super fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. This is Banoris Channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And to support us, don't forget to like this video please. For starters, make chains based on the wrist size. For this sample, I'm making 50 chains. Now skip 3 chains and from the 4th chain on, in each chain, make 1 double crochet. While doing the last double crochet, add another yarn with a different color. Three chains, turn the work around. In the same stitch, 1 double crochet. Skip 3 stitches and in the 4th one, make 3 double crochet. Skip 3 stitches and in the 4th one, 3 double crochet. And repeat this till the end of this row. In the last stitch, make 1 double crochet and while making the second double crochet, add another yarn with a different color. Three chains, turn the work around. In the hollow spot between these stitches, make 3 double crochet. And again in this hollow spot, 3 double crochet. And repeat this till the end of this row. In the last stitch, while doing a double crochet stitch, add another yarn. 3 chains, turn the work around. In that same stitch, 1 double crochet. Now again, in each of the hollow spots between stitches, make 3 double crochet. And keep this going. You can add as many rows as you want for this model. And finally, you're gonna have a colorful bracelet. And for the last row, make 1 chain, turn the work around. In each stitch, make 1 single crochet. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.